This looks like the H lead came. This is where you would put the 2 glass pieces on each side here and then have this lead came in between. This just accepts only one side of the glass. So this would be like the edge of the stained glass piece. They're all kind of coiled. Looks to me like there's various sizes as well. So this one is a shallower H lead came. So when we do a project with some lead came, I'll just be digging through all this stuff to find what I need. And I'm sure there's something in here that I could use. What a crazy mess. So this box is probably a good 15 or 20 pounds, maybe a little bit more. That's a lot of lead. So this is what we've got. We've got all this lead here and all this stuff. And then some glass. Look at these cutters. So cool. So much good stuff. Okay, let's take a look at the glass and see what we've got. We'll start at the bottom. Nothing. Okay. Some nice big red glass sheets. Wow. This one's a little darker. And this is a nice red here. Almost filling up this drawer. Let's check out the next one. Lots of different stuff going on here. I don't know, missing a handle or something. Or it is used for something. This is the carborundum stone. Broken carborundum stone. It's well used. So it looks like a few of those pieces. Got the handle. So that's one out of the like 14 or 15 missing handles. And we have, this is like a putty knife, very soft and flexible blade. It's not sharp. We'll have to find out what this is used for as well. This is cool. Got some art piece here. Maybe we'll hang that. Steel bank pins. Probably just to hold down the pieces. Okay. This is a funky one. I don't know if this is deliberate or it got bent. I'm thinking this is how it came. Also has a similar type of blade, just like that other knife that we found. I'm gonna have to place these with the rest of the knives and find out what they're used for. Got some beveled piece here. I've seen this stuff in snowflakes and some windows, mostly like windows and stuff, but very cool. More of these round pieces. This is like a big tongs for grip this glass. I don't know what this is for. Another one that we have to find out. I have no idea what this thing does. Looks like an official tool for something. Ah. My friend Evan actually gave me this lens. Somehow we're gonna make use of this guy. Oh man, this is so cool. Thank you, Evan. More glass cutter. Probably a soldering iron stand, I think. Some more beveled glass pieces. Ooh. So you can copper foil these and add them to your project. So it looks like somebody was doing that too. And all these pieces. So that's like the miscellaneous drawer. Got some huge glass sheets here. I like this one in the back. Some cool color. Lots of green. Some cool patterns here. Awesome, nice color. Nice drawer full of blues. I like that. This one's got some really nice textures on it. So a few of those sheets. It's opalescent type. Look at the swirls on that. My missing drawer. Alright, look at this glass. So ripply. And some more frosted ones, different textures. Some beveled glass. Got a few of those. Put this one back in the blues. That one's a nice clear one that goes in the clear box somewhere. This drawer is full of glass. This is a nice one. And some other good ones. This drawer is also full. It's hard to find yellow glass, so this is really nice. I love the orange as well. See if we can get a date on it. 1994, May 27th. All right, so something in the 90s. Some cool glass colors. Opalescent glass. Okay, these are good swirls. Some white glass here. Some more reds. More reds. This is a cool one. Too bad we only have a small piece of it. Father's Day, 1992. So here's some clear sheets. Almost the full size of this drawer. This orange sheet is really cool. That's a good color. Looks like we've got 3 full sheets, almost filling up the entire cabinet drawer. I gotta get a little step for this, so we need to go up. We are here in this drawer. This is like the first drawer that has smaller pieces. Can you believe that? Let's take a look at this one. Love this color. Okay, that's an empty one. Another empty one. Oh yeah, I think all the top drawers are all empty. And we're done. Oh yes, but there's more. We've got these 3 sheets of mirrored glass. It wouldn't fit inside the drawers, so these are a little bit longer. So let's just leave that on the side. So yeah, that's it guys. That's everything that I got from this Craigslist find. Chris, thank you so much for hooking me up with all this stuff. I hope you guys are as excited as me to get started and do some stained glass work. So for sure, I'll be using a lot of this stuff in the next projects to come. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I appreciate your support in liking, commenting, and subscribing to this channel. Next time, we're gonna start on a new project, and I think we've got all the stuff that we need right here. So thanks again, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.